Target the look of lines, wrinkles and sagging skin with a triple action formula that firms, smooths and tightens. Visibly renews skin's appearance, creates a softer, smoother surface, tightens for a firmer feel. Apply a small amount evenly to clean skin day or night. Alfalfa Extract helps prevent skin from premature aging. Manihot Esculenta Tuber Extract helps the skin retain moisture and visibly brighten and firm skin. Oat Kernel Extract helps create a softer, smoother-looking skin texture. Get a Lift targets the look of lines, wrinkles and sagging skin with a triple action, nature-based formula that firms, smooths and tightens. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for offense and defense. I will be 47 and Sept and I have been using this moisturizer for the last 3 years. I can tell a huge transformation in the existing fine lines and wrinkles and a slow progression of additional ones. It is lightweight and perfect for any skin type. I have tried a significant number of other brands and types of moisturizers, but this is by far the best and worth every penny.